Hey guys, it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today we're going to be talking about another easy gift idea. Now, we've been talking about a lot of items for your human friends, but we haven't talked at all about gifts for our animal friends. So today we're going to make a simple dog toy. Now, this is an item that you've probably seen at the dog store, maybe purchased, not thinking about how easy it would be to actually make. And all you're going to need today is you're going to need some scrap fleece. So this is a piece of frozen fleece that I had left over from a project. And it was decent length here, and all I did was cut it into strips, leaving the top part attached. Now we're going to have someone or something hold this here, and we're just going to braid right down, and then we'll have a tug toy. So let me show you how this is done. So I don't have any help right now, so I'm going to use a clamp, and I'm going to braid it that way. Let me see if I can get us a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. I really like braiding, and so this is right up my alley. Now, if you're not really good at braiding, you might want to just stick with 3 strips. I have 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's see here. I'm at the end here, so I can either tie a knot or I can sew across. There you go. There's your easy dog toy.